Welcome to episode 4 of the Illusion Plus series. We have learned about the shipyard, walked through her beautiful decks and taken a deep dive into unique features such as the spa, entertainment spaces and the amazing owner's deck. In this episode I would like to show you the technical heart of the ship. As you can see here, we're walking through the engine rooms. I'd like to show you the accumulation of top brands that we are having here on board. It's a Rolls-Royce diesel-electric propulsion system. We have the Rolls-Royce retractable stabilizer fin. We have the air conditioning units from Heine Hopman and a lot more to show you. Starting with the technical areas. Here's the master control room. You can see our monitoring systems. We have the switchboard room, which is the heart of the ship, while we have the diesel-electric propulsion system. As you can see, it's all properly installed, also again with the high-end brands that you might expect from a boat like this. We're going down to the two-story engine room. We have the generators made by Caterpillar. We have, as you can see, everything is virtually new, never used and ready for the next owner. We are in the garage. This is the Fasmer RR. We have a Pasco beach lander and of course the limo tender, 9.5 meters, and we have a lot of other space for jet skis, other toys and tools. I'm JAN JAAP MINNEMA and it has been my pleasure to show you around this magnificent yacht. I hope you enjoyed the series, and if you'd like to arrange a visit, then please feel free to get in touch.